unlock the doors to financial freedom in 2023 as we delve into 7 proven methods to generate passive income streams. This is Business Mind, and in this video, we'll explore strategic ways to make your money work for you, allowing you to enjoy the fruits of your labor without being tied to a traditional 9-to-5 job. Get ready to revolutionize your approach to wealth creation and discover lucrative opportunities in the evolving landscape of passive income. Real estate investments. In the dynamic landscape of passive income generation in 2023, real estate investments stand out as a robust avenue for financial growth. One compelling method is investing in rental properties, a classic strategy that continues to yield steady returns. By acquiring residential or commercial properties, you position yourself to earn passive income through rental payments. The beauty lies in the dual benefit of consistent cash flow and potential property appreciation over time. For those seeking a more diversified and accessible approach, real estate crowdfunding platforms offer an innovative solution. Through these platforms, investors can pool resources to collectively invest in various real estate projects. This method provides a hands-off way to partake in real estate ventures and enjoy passive income without the hands-on responsibilities of property management. Whether you choose traditional property ownership or opt for the modern convenience of crowdfunding, real estate investments remain a proven method to cultivate a sustainable and lucrative stream of passive income in the ever-evolving financial landscape of 2023. Dividend stocks. Delving into the realm of passive income, dividend stocks emerge as a potent financial instrument in 2023. This strategy involves investing in shares of well-established companies that consistently share their profits with shareholders. By strategically selecting stocks with a history of regular dividend payouts, investors can create a reliable stream of passive income. The beauty of this method lies in its dual nature. You benefit from potential stock value appreciation, and simultaneously, you receive periodic dividends. To maximize the power of compounding, many investors choose to reinvest these dividends, acquiring more shares and thereby enhancing their potential for future earnings. Alternatively, one can opt to withdraw dividends as cash, providing an immediate source of passive income. This flexibility allows investors to tailor their approach based on financial goals and market conditions. In the dynamic landscape of 2023, dividend stocks not only offer financial stability through established companies, but also present an avenue for continuous wealth accumulation, making them a compelling choice for those seeking to harness the power of passive income in the stock market. And hey, isn't that the main reason you're here after all? Investing is a journey of multiple hurdles, and navigating it day by day would bring one to wit's end. Well, not to worry, because here on Business Mind, we want you to dream big and achieve bigger. And we've set it up just for you. Check the link in the description below, and who knows, your streak of success might just be one click away. Peer-to-peer lending. Venturing into the realm of passive income. In 2023, peer-to-peer lending emerges as a dynamic avenue for financial growth. Platforms such as Prosper or Lending Club provide individuals with the opportunity to directly lend money to other individuals or small businesses. This decentralized approach to lending not only empowers investors, but also opens a gateway to earning regular interest payments. The process is straightforward. Investors choose borrowers based on risk profiles, and as borrowers repay their loans, lenders receive regular interest payments. This hands-on yet technologically facilitated method offers an alternative to traditional banking systems, allowing investors to directly participate in the lending process. Peer-to-peer lending is not only a means of generating passive income, but also a way to support individuals and small enterprises in need of financial assistance. As a proactive investor, you can diversify your portfolio and harness the potential of steady returns, making peer-to-peer lending a compelling strategy in the evolving landscape of financial opportunities in 2023. Create an online course. Unlocking the doors to passive income in 2023, creating an online course stands out as a lucrative venture. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable provide a global stage for sharing your expertise. By crafting and publishing an online course, you not only disseminate valuable knowledge, but also open a channel for continuous passive income. The process begins with identifying your area of expertise and breaking it down into digestible modules. From programming to photography, the diversity of topics is vast. As students enroll and access your course, you earn passive income without the need for continuous effort. The initial investment of time and energy in course creation transforms into a reservoir of financial returns as the course gains traction. Harnessing the scalability of online platforms, your course can reach a global audience, ensuring a steady influx of students and, consequently, a consistent stream of passive income. In the digital landscape of 2023, creating an online course serves not only as a financial endeavor, but also as a means of sharing knowledge and impacting a broader community. Royalties from intellectual property. In the dynamic landscape of passive income, leveraging intellectual property for royalties emerges as a powerful strategy in 2023. If you possess artistic skills, consider monetizing them through licensing or royalty agreements with publishers or manufacturers. This method allows you to receive payments for granting others the rights to use your creations, ranging from books and music to gadgets and software. For writers, artists, musicians, and creators of digital content, this avenue offers a sustainable source of passive income. Once your work is out in the market, you can continue to earn royalties without the need for ongoing effort. Publishers or manufacturers compensate you for the rights to use your intellectual property, providing a steady stream of income as your creations gain traction. This method not only rewards creativity, but also aligns with the contemporary digital economy, making it an enticing option for individuals seeking to monetize their artistic talents and intellectual creations in the ever-evolving landscape of 2023. Affiliate marketing. Diving into the realm of passive income strategies in 2023, affiliate marketing stands as a dynamic and scalable avenue for financial growth. The approach involves building a blog or website centered around specific niches or topics of interest. Once established, you can incorporate affiliate marketing links strategically within your content. Affiliate marketing operates on a commission-based model. By partnering with companies and promoting their products or services, you earn commissions for every sale generated through the affiliate links on your platform. The beauty of this method lies in its passivity. Once the links are set up, you can continue earning without continuous effort. Choosing niches aligned with your audience's interests enhances the effectiveness of affiliate marketing. Whether it's technology, lifestyle, or health, tailoring your content to your target audience increases the likelihood of conversions. In the dynamic digital landscape of 2023, affiliate marketing remains a potent strategy, offering a symbiotic relationship between content creation and passive income generation. Digital product sales. In the ever-evolving landscape of passive income, capitalizing on digital product sales in 2023 presents an enticing opportunity. Craft and offer digital products such as ebooks, templates, or audio lessons on platforms like Etsy, creating a reservoir of income with minimal ongoing effort. The process begins with identifying a niche or area where your expertise or creativity shines. Develop digital products that cater to the needs or interests of your target audience. Once listed on platforms like Etsy, your products become accessible to a global market. The beauty of this strategy lies in its hands-off nature. Once the initial setup is complete, customers can purchase and download your digital products at any time, allowing you to generate income continuously. This scalability is especially advantageous in the digital era. where the demand for convenient and instantly accessible digital content remains high. Embrace the potential for ongoing income with digital product sales, where your creations become a source of passive revenue, aligning perfectly with the convenience and accessibility expected in the financial landscape of 2023. And there you have it. We've explored fulfilling your financial dreams while dreaming in your sleep. Remember, it all starts with a business mind, the kind that dares to dream big and strives to achieve even bigger. So check out the description below for the thing that could help you do just that. And if you're ready to turn dreams to achievements, don't hesitate to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell right here on Business Mind. Stay connected for more insightful content that empowers you to take your business journey to new heights. So go ahead, dream big, work hard, and watch as your efforts translate into success beyond your wildest expectations. This is Business Mind, reminding you that when you dream big, you truly can achieve bigger. Business Mind, signing off.